the first time in 9 days. You probably better not have the music on, it will distract you, especially not Yanni. Honey, turn it off! We haven't seen anybody else so far. Oh, there's a car. Here come some people running down the road. They're probably running from the COVIDs. Looks like they've got gloves on though. If shit gets real ugly, we got a church close by so we can go get prayers if we need. This looks sketchy up here. These people are really close together. David Gray is great pandemic music. I've always thought that. Slow down, honey. Turn it down. Here's a big old empty parking lot that's usually full. We came to RC Willie since we have to isolate at home to get a fucking couch. This is fucking bullshit. If there's one place that was gonna be open, you'd think it'd be the place with the couches. Jesus. Ow! So we're just pulling up to the Red Cross here, kind of gaming the system a little bit. Volunteer to give blood, and then they have to give you the test, so don't tell anybody. So here we are, it's Friday night. This road, I would dare say, would normally be pretty crowded on a Friday night, heading on down to the mall. Came to the mall, they're freaking closed too. God damn it. Fuck. The empty mall parking lot. They've got kale planted in the planters at the mall now. Pretty smart.
The lady's really sad the mall's closed. Everybody I've seen drive by so far looks really angry or distraught.
Damn it. Liquor stores closed. I trusted you, Mormon Jesus. Oh no. It's only closed until I'm 21. Heading north on State Street, Salt Lake City, Utah. Murray proper. Car lots should be open because everybody wants to buy a car in uncertain economic times to soothe their nerves. Salt Lake City.